To complete this assignment, don't forget to first click View Assignment. You're going to click right here on the Edpuzzle link, and you're going to sign in with your blog username. Click Join Open Class. And then here's the video you're going to watch and answer questions for. So click on the link. You're going to complete this by clicking the play button and watching the video. Now you're going to see these little dots down here. These are questions, so when the video gets to this dot, it's going to pause and ask a question. You're not going to be allowed to continue the video until you've answered the question. So we're going to watch until we get to this pause. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions in the video. You're not going to be able to advance. You're going to need to watch the video until it pauses for the question. So you'll need to listen carefully to what the video is saying, because the question will be based upon what you've heard in the video up until that point. Okay, you see that it got to that point, and here's the question for you. Copyright is a legal protection for people who create things. The video just explained that, so I'm going to click True and hit Submit. Once you've submitted your answer, it's going to tell you whether you got it correct, and then you're going to click the Continue button. Then the video will continue. It will pause at the next question, and you'll do the same thing. You'll answer the question, hit Submit, and then click Continue until you get to the end of the video. Make sure you watch all the way to the very end of the video. In the Google Classroom instructions, it says when you're finished to screen capture the screen and then click Leave Open Class in the top right corner. So once this video is completely finished, you're going to need to screen capture that screen, and up here in the top right corner, you will click Leave Open Class, close out, and then you will turn in that screen capture by clicking Add, File. The screen capture will be on your desktop. You'll drag it in, and then you'll click Turn In. And that's how you will complete this assignment.